In this video, I want to dive into how powerful AI is getting to promote Clickbank products, but not just any Clickbank product. Notice here I'm in the Clickbank marketplace. I'm focused on a product that has a future rebill of $91.12. This is the average commission earned per rebill of recurring sales. All of these products here have an average conversion rate and a commission of $100, but this is going to pay you again and again and again for promoting it once. Now, the power of AI comes into this when you utilize the power of something like Google Notebook LM and you load up source references, documents here, these PDFs that identify recurring rebilling products over a Clickbank, so you don't have to waste your time by trying to sort through all this information over here on Clickbank, trying to figure out the best one with affiliate resources, the best commission types, the best product type, all of this other information over here, future, rebill, min, max. You just come over here and you load these PDFs into Notebook LM, and then also this document that I put together right here, which is a complete strategy. Then you just ask it a question, or you have it pick a product for you because you know all these products are going to pay you again and again and again. Pick me a product to promote that would best suit YouTube short videos as a traffic source. Why am I picking YouTube short videos? Because now you have the power of AI, like in video AI, that's getting better and better and better all the time. And all you have to do is, and we'll watch a short clip of this, is get the prompt from inside of Notebook LM that I'm going to show you that created this video.
Weight loss isn't easy. Meet Lean Biome, your simple solution to weight loss frustration. Boost your gut health, reduce bloating, and feel more energetic. Click the link to learn more.
Not perfect, but it is getting better all the time. Back to Notebook LM. Pick me a product to promote that would best suit YouTube short videos as a traffic source. Based on the sources, again, all of this information as well as this document right here, which is a Google document that I put together as a bonus for the product that gives you all these PDFs with this information about these rebill products or these recurring products. You can see here that based on these sources, all you have to do is scroll down here and it's giving you the strategy for using YouTube Shorts. And you hover over this little icon right here, and here is the prompt. Create a 15-second YouTube short script that opens with a pain question, shows a simple breakthrough, and ends with a CTA to check out my link for the full story. In this case, the product is Lean Biome. The audience is women 40 plus with the frustration or the problem they have is they want to be able to lose weight. You copy that, you bring that over to InVideo, and again, it creates this video for you. So again, you don't have to go here and search the marketplace. You can click the link in the description. It'll take you over and you can get this product called Affiliate Rebill Riches. Cheesy name, but this product gives you these sources, this source information you can load into Notebook LM. Check out this video here over at the link in the description. It'll dive a little deeper into how this works, but all you have to do is click here. You'll get my Clickbank control bonus, which is this Google Doc right here that I've loaded up into Notebook LM to utilize the AI and walk through each section by section with a complete strategy to include the video scripts or the way to prompt the AI to make a video script that you see right here to then go back over to InVideo to create the video to drive traffic from YouTube to a product that is going to, again, pay you an average of $100 per conversion, but has almost $100 in recurring revenue. So you only have to promote it once and you keep getting paid again and again and again. Link in the description. It'll take you over here. Check this out. Watch this video. Make sure you understand exactly what you're getting. You're going to get these sources that you're going to load up in a Notebook LM. You click this green button right here. It's going to take you over to the sales page. You're going to get this product from Val Wilson. And again, cheesy name, but understand the problem that you have is you're promoting for a single commission when what you should be doing is doing what smart affiliates do, promote products that pay recurring commissions, so they pay you again and again and again. Then you can see here, in this little graphic, if you were to promote one product that bills once and you were to make a $23.50 commission, over the course of a year, you're going to earn $14,000. Promote that same product that has a rebill and you'll earn $64,000. Over the year, you'll earn this recurring commission, and that is the incredible power of recurring commission. Plus, having the AI, once you give it these source documents, pick a product for you and then give you the script, as well as you don't even have to go to Clickbank. You can get the link right here to the affiliate page, so you can go do your own due diligence by understanding exactly what the product is you're going to promote, and you can check out all the resources that they provide for you. Plus, you can also come back here, and again, you don't need to go to Clickbank because it's all loaded up here for you to let the AI tell you exactly, or ask the AI, I need the Clickbank Marketplace link, please, too. It's going to give you the Clickbank affiliate link right here. You just put in your vendor ID. Link in the description. Check out the bonus page. Go ahead, click over to get affiliate rebill riches. Let the AI do all the work, just like you saw right here. All you have to do is load up these sources into Notebook LM and then focus on picking a product. Let the AI show you the best product, sort through it, pick a product that matches what you want to solve for people, or matches sort of what you feel is the best thing that you're suited to identifying a problem and start creating this content and understanding how this product actually helps people. Link in the description. Check it out. AI is going to do all this for you. Plus, my strategy is going to give you step by step exactly how to do this. Check out InVideo for a traffic source for using YouTube Shorts or TikTok or Instagram Reels, any type of short little videos now. They're getting better and better all the time. They're not perfect, but they're getting pretty dang good. Link in the description. Check out this bonus and this offer to load up all these sources and let AI go to work for you and create this content to drive traffic to these offers. And hey, you could probably even build an email list and do even better, but that's for another video. Link in the description. Check it out. If you got any questions, ask in the comments, and I'll talk to you later.